Three more Rafale jets land in India after non-stop flight from France. The aircraft got airborne earlier Wednesday from Istres Air Base in France and flew non-stop for 7,000 kilometers. India's Rafale squadron added more muscle after the third batch of 3 fighter jets arrived in India on Wednesday night after flying non-stop from France, the Indian Air Force said. The third batch of 3 Rafale aircraft landed at an IAF base a short while ago. They flew over 7,000 kilometers with in-flight refueling. The aircraft got airborne earlier in the day from Istres Air Base in France. IAF deeply appreciates the tanker support provided by UAE Air Force, the IAF tweeted. The new jets will bolster the strength of the Indian Air Force's only Rafale squadron, which is based in Ambala. This is the third set of deliveries of the aircraft to the IAF. India ordered 36 warplanes from France, equivalent of 2 squadrons, in September 2016 for 59,000 crore under a government-to-government deal. With the new jets, the number of Rafales in the IAF's inventory has increased to 11. The second batch of the IAF's 3 Rafale fighter jets had reached the Jamnagar Air Base in Gujarat from France in early November before they flew to their home base in Ambala. The first batch of 5 Rafale jets reached the Ambala Air Base on July 29 after a stopover at the Al Dhafra Air Base near Abu Dhabi. A formal induction ceremony of the warplanes took place later on 10 September 2020. Please like and subscribe. Jai Hind.